Here's a quick look at the Housewise tabletop fire pit. I'll show you exactly what's included and how we used it. First here, you'll have the user manual that shows you exactly what's included and how to use it. You can also scan the QR code and watch a video. And then I'll just show you here, it comes with the base and then the protective pad, which was really easy to apply yourself. I'll just show you here how I did that. And it also comes with the fire pit itself. I got the light gray option, which I absolutely love the way that it looks. It has a very nice, sleek design. It also includes the inner cup, outer cup, and the wool. And then I'll just show you here how I assembled the fire pit with the base. And then this is the lid to put the fire out once you're done, making it really easy to, turn on and off. And then it also comes with the expandable roasting sticks. And another thing you'll need to get is the fireplace fuel, which I got the Housewise premium fireplace fuel, and I really liked how easy it was to use. So you just pour some into the inner cup that has the wool, and then we just lit it, and it didn't take very long for the flames to get bigger, and we decided to do s'mores, which was fun as a family to do this. And so I'll just show you here how easy it was for me to roast the marshmallows and then make a s'more out of it. So I really love this fire pit. I think it has a beautiful, sleek design. It was really easy to do s'mores with my family, and I liked how easy it was to turn it off. It definitely elevates the ambiance and atmosphere in any setting. We also brought it outside afterwards, and it was nice to use there as well. So definitely recommend you check this out.